So here we have this 30-inch storage ottoman. Now this came packed in a flat box and was surprisingly simple to set up. The main box just unfolds like this, and then a flat board fits into the bottom to keep it from folding back together. Then you can place the lid on and it's ready to go. It has a nice and comfy 1-inch foam on the top, so it's pretty comfortable to sit on or even use as a footrest. The fabric also looks pretty stylish, and the tufted top with buttons is nice too. Now opening it up, it has a decent bit of space. There's plenty of room for a couple extra blankets, pillows, or even some clothes. This ottoman also works great in a kid's bedroom to hold their books or to clean up their toys. It's not the most sturdy bench I've ever sat on because it only uses a 1/4-inch thick board, but if you don't mind a little wobble, it should hold up to 350 pounds. And like I said before, this works great as a footstool or a bench and has plenty of storage for whatever you want to put in it. So if you're looking for a stylish solution to hide some extra blankets or an easy way to clean up toys, well, here you go.